Guys, I found a secret link. Yes, I found a secret link that you can use to get your 1000 subscriber in less than 24 hours. You will accumulate your 1000 subscriber. I discovered this particular link just yesterday. And guys, I decided to try it on this channel. I got over 1000 subscriber on this my other channel. Guys, if you try this link that I'm about to share with you now, you are going to get your 1000 subscriber. Even though you are lazy, you don't want to upload on your channel, you don't want to do anything, try to do this one. Trust me, it is granted and trusted. Okay, I noticed that nobody have ever made a video about it, and if you are watching this video, congratulations. If you are under 1000 subscriber, if you are under 500 subscriber, and you are finding it difficult to get your 1000 subscriber, this particular link is going to help you accumulate your 1000 subscriber. Even though you go to bed with maybe 50 subscriber, when you wake up, you will see thousands of subscribers. Like, people will automatically subscribe to your channel. To show you how confident I am about this particular link, all you have to do is don't like this video, don't subscribe to the channel, just try this method. Then if at the end it will work for you, because I am sure it's going to work for you, then come back here and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop in your review comments in the comment section. Okay, so come with me, let me show you this method, this hack, this strategy. Like, you don't want to miss this one. You know that on this YouTube you need to get your 1000 subscriber and your 4000 public watch hour to get monetized. Okay, I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's dive straight into the video right now. Come with me, let's go. The very first thing you have to do is to come over to your YouTube app, this particular app right now. You click on your profile, you come at this right hand side, you can see these three particular dots. Okay, now click on it. Now once you click on it, you click on share, you click on copy link. Your channel link has been copied. Now this particular link we just copied, you just copy, is your own channel link. Are you following me now? Right now, just after you have copied your channel link, you come over to your Chrome browser or your Google, come over to the search and type Entende. Now once you look at this search, you can see that this is the site I'm talking about, to show you that I've been trying it. Okay, so once you type on Entende, click on the search. Let me show you the right link, the right website I'll be using. You will be using to get your 1000 subscribers. Okay, now can you see this this middle one? Now make sure you take note of this particular one, YouTube subscribe link generator. Click on the site. Once you click on the site, now it will bring you to this option. It says free YouTube tool, because this is actually a tool and also a link for you to get your subscriber really quick. What are we going to do is to come over to this empty box, you paste the link that we just copied. Okay, now once you paste the link, you click on generate subscribe link. Automatically, immediately, in just less than a second, your subscribe link has been generated. Okay, now all you have to do is click on this copy link. It has been copied. You have copied the link. Now right after you have copied the links, you head over to your Chrome browser. Yes, go over to your YouTube Chrome browser, I mean the desktop site. Now once it will bring you to your interface like this, now go to this pencil icon, this one that looks like a pencil icon. Okay, tap on it. Now once you tap on it, then you wait for it to open. Go down to this particular interface. You are going to see where they say channel URL. Okay, now after this channel URL, you are going to see the next one, which is add link. Now this add link are where you are adding your any link, be it your social media link, any link at all. Okay, now what we are going to do is to add the link that we just copy from that auto subscribe link. Okay, now we'll paste it. Make sure that the link even though you have other link, maybe your social media handle, make sure that this particular one that you just generated is the first link, okay? Because you want any viewers that come to your channel, once they click this subscribe link, I'm going to show you how this subscribe link looks like, okay? Once they click this subscribe link, they will automatically subscribe to your channel without them knowing or unknowingly, okay? And you want every subscribers that is coming your way, you want to grab every subscribers, even though they are 100%, you want to grab all the subscribers to yourself, okay? So if this video is interesting, let me know in the comment section where you are actually watching this video from, okay? And tell me if you'll be trying this method, okay? Now once you have pasted your link, then you come over here, they said the right link title. Now what you are going to do is, the order of my video where I talked about a similar video like this, I say something like subscribe now, but this one you are not going to write subscribe now, you are going to write please subscribe, okay? Now once you have write that please subscribe, you click on that you are done with this one, okay? Then you come over to the second one and also paste the link again, okay? Make sure that it is 2. If you want it to be 3, if you want it to be 5, if you want it to be 4, depending. But for me, when I try it, as I try it on the other of my channel, I duplicated it, okay? So you paste it again and come here and also write please subscribe, okay? Or you can actually say subscribe now, just have a different link title, or you can still make use of the same link title, okay? So now you can say please subscribe now. You can put an emoji of a hand. Let me just find something, okay? Something like this, okay? Please subscribe, okay? Now once you have imputed it, now the next thing you are going to do is to come over at this same right hand top. You are going to see a highlighted icon written publish. So you click on this publish. This changes this effect, this thing that we have imputed has been published, okay? Now you can go to your channel. Let me show it how it looks like in your channel. So once you click from that particular place, it will bring you to your channel. Then you click on this this more and you are going to see it, guys. Can you see how this 2 subscribe link looks like? So anyone that comes to your channel for the first time and knowingly or unknowingly click on this subscribe, the next thing is they will automatically subscribe to your channel, guys. This is amazing. If you try this, guys, you are going to get your subscribers even while you are asleep, even if you don't want to upload your video. Just using this link, just using this Chrome that I just showed you, you can be able to achieve your 1000 subscribers automatically without you having to upload videos, okay? Another thing I want to show you is come back to your YouTube Chrome and go to your content. Once you go to your content, now I want to show you something. Yes, once you go to your content and you click on any video, just click on any video, maybe any video you have uploaded, okay? But make sure you have uploaded a video before trying this thing, okay? At least if you have 1 or 2 videos or 3 videos, but make sure that you already have a video on your channel, because it's going to work well, very well. So click on any of your video. Once you click on any of the video, then you come over to the video. You see this particular place, they said end screen. Yes, you tap on it. I know a lot of you will be like, oh, this is end screen, I've heard about it. What is so new about this end screen? Calm down, okay? Relax. I want to show you something. Like, I want to show you a secret thing. Let me tell you that you don't even know how to use your end screen to get your subscribers. Now once you click on the end screen, click on this element. Now once you click on this element, you will see subscribe, okay? Now you see your subscribe. You see your subscribe will be highlighted white, just like this other video playlist and channel, it will be highlighted white. The reason why you are seeing my own that is not highlighted because I've setted my own. I've already activated my own. But if you have not activated your own, go to any of your video, come over to this side. If you have not done it, you see that your subscriber, this your subscriber will be showing white, just like this video playlist and channel. Okay, so now once it's showing white, you click on that subscribe. Once you click on that subscribe, it's going to bring you your channel image, which is this particular thing. Now this is my own. This is an icon that YouTube infused in the YouTube system that you can use to get your subscriber from any of your video. Now let's say if that video eventually goes viral, people are going to subscribe from this particular end screen. Okay, but we are not looking for viral video, because if you are looking for viral, you might actually get stuck. Okay, so if anybody click on this image, they are going to see subscribe. What they are going to see is subscribe. Okay, you can actually position it. Okay, anybody that click on it will automatically see the subscribe button and they will subscribe. Okay, so once you have activated it, click on save and it will automatically save. Okay, this is how you can actually activate and get your 1000 subscriber in just less than 24 hours, or even 24 hours exactly. You can accumulate your 1000 subscriber without you stressing yourself, without you waiting for months and trying, and at the end you are not growing, you are not getting subscriber. Okay, so if this video actually helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notification so that you will get notified each time I post videos like this. Thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Congratulations on your next big 1000 subscriber milestone. Try this method and thank me later. Okay, so bye.